Pretty cool. As meteorologist Anthony Copeland joins me. Anthony, the parents of those eggs are going to have to keep them warm.
Exactly.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, I don't keep up with the schedules of the animals, but I'm thinking it's nearing end of hibernation season, right? I mean, the warmer temperatures, we had some 70s last week, but right now it's feeling more like the middle of winter, and it's still actually late winter, but hey, it's March, right? We're already thinking about these spring-like temperatures, but we have a minor slowdown when it comes to that, when it comes to our next best chance of lake effect snow that's going to be rolling in starting tonight and pretty much dominating our forecast for your Sunday. So here's the latest, pretty much secondary, primary snow belts under advisory. We have a warning for Geauga County. They anticipate upwards to 5 to 7 inches of snow. Locations east of that could see those higher amounts, so we got to keep a close eye to how these snow bands set up, where they set up, how long, and intensification. All that is going to go into the forecast, but the overarching headline is where the snow bands persist, expect higher snowfall totals. Right now, here's the overall setup. We've been catching a break through most of the evening, so we've been able to get away with a dry Saturday evening. But we've had a northwest wind so established across the Great Lakes, so we're actually seeing some lake effect rain showers near the PA state line. Up to the north, here's our main event. This next reinforcing shot of cold air is going to be sliding in our direction, and that's going to provide the trigger for some lake enhancement when it comes to the snow showers as well. As we go throughout the next several hours, snow is going to be moving in. Around 1 and 2 o'clock, where we have the advisories kicking off, I believe that is when we're going to start to see the snow beginning to fall. And as we get deeper into the morning, things are going to be really ramping up. Let's see how it all plays out here. What's your National Design Mart hourly forecast? Here it is, getting closer to midnight, picking up on a lake effect rain and snow off to the east. Very good. So as we get deeper into the morning, it's trying to produce more scattered lake effect snow showers throughout the morning around daybreak. So I believe much of the metro could start to see a little bit more of that lake effect snow around 7 and 8 o'clock. As we head deeper into mid-morning, that cold front will be arriving, and we're going to start to see a much greater burst of heavier snowfall. Wind gusts around 29, 30 miles an hour. So this snow is going to be coming down hard, and it's going to be blowing snow. So reduced visibility is going to be a possibility. Briefly, I'll say between the hours of 9 and I'll say 2 o'clock in the afternoon for your Sunday. As we get beyond 2 and 3 o'clock, most of the heavier snow is mainly exclusive to our primary snow belt locations. Here at 6 o'clock, we're drying out. We're still looking at lake effect snow bands off to the east. Then we're finally clearing out. We're clearing skies with a northwest wind that's going to be whipping across the lake. And we're also going to be tracking some bitterly cold wind chills as well by the time you're waking up for sunny skies for Monday. Here's Sunday, the overall rundown here. Just scattered snowflakes waking up throughout the pre-dawn hours, approaching daybreak. That is when the intensity of the snow really picks up, along with the wind for our primary and secondary snow belts. Then just focusing on our primary snow belt locations throughout the early evening as we wrap up the nightly hours for your Sunday. Now, overall, folks, just use this as guidance when it comes to snowfall amounts. General 1 to 2 inches for Cleveland metro area. We could see isolated 3 inch or 2. But off to the east, we could see higher amounts. It's saying 2 to 3 inches, but where snow bands persist, we could see those higher snowfall totals by Sunday night. A lot of sunny skies on the way Monday. Mid-40s, lower 60s as early as Tuesday afternoon, flying high in the mid to upper 60s for Wednesday, Thursday with rain chances.
I mentioned that roller coaster we were on earlier. Yeah, that 10-day really shows the picture. We're going up to the 60s and then back down to the 30s. Anthony, thank you.